Savor the Southwest. And as you know, a lot of us are beekeepers, and bees need water to help cool their hive in the summer. And what is this? We're looking at a dish with a hose going into it and a rock that the bees can climb on and get water without being thirsty. And what is this hose connected to? The air conditioner. Yeah, you actually have to turn on the air conditioner, and then the weather has to be humid enough to pull moisture out to give water to the bees. So, I'm gonna have to fill my bee watering device by hand with the hose. But on those humid summer days, this is a this will work. What a difference a little bit of monsoon rain makes. First of all, the Indian tobacco, that's the common name for it. It's a wild tobacco, has grown up around my little bee watering device, but also the air is nice and humid. So the device is full and even overflowing. And I'm actually going to have to pull a few weeds so the butterflies can get in here as well as the bees. But if you're a homesteader with some bees, you got to make sure they have a safe place to get their water. And this is just a sort of a passive device to water your bees. Thanks for watching.